Hello, green thumb enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of urban gardening. If you're eager to grow your own food and flowers in the city, this video is for you. We'll guide you through the process of starting your own urban garden, even if you're a complete beginner. Firstly, let's consider where to place your garden. It could be in your backyard or even on your rooftop. The key is to find an area with enough sunlight and space for your plants to thrive. Remember, even a small space can support a lush garden with proper planning and care. Next, it's time to choose what you want to grow. This could be vegetables like tomatoes and lettuce, herbs for culinary delight, or flowers for their beauty and scent. Consider what you love eating or seeing and let that guide your selection. Now for the fun part. It's time to plant your seeds or seedlings in pots or containers of your choice. Remember to follow basic gardening tips like watering regularly, providing fertilizer when necessary, and maintaining good soil quality. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're on your way to becoming an urban gardening expert. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and advice. Happy growing!